have diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at a point O using the criterion of similarity of two triangles show that OA by OC equal to OB by OD. So here we must show what OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Now look into this figure. You have a trapezium called ABCD trapezium. Now AC and BD are the diagonals which intersect at a point O. So AC and BD are diagonals which intersects at a point O. Using the criterion of similarity of two triangles, we must show what OA by OC equal to OB by OD. So firstly let's write down the given data. Firstly, here what given is given what where first AC and BD are diagonals which intersects. Okay, so these diagonals intersects at point O. Okay, where diagonals AC and BD are diagonals, so these both diagonals intersect at the point O, as we know. And next, what you have a trapezium ABCD. Where here AB is parallel to DC, so AB is parallel to DC or CD. Okay, DC or CD. So this is the given data. Now to prove this, firstly, let me write one like AB is parallel to AC. Now here, to prove this, I would like to first make a construction. So let's make a construction firstly. So the construction would I can make like, so here just draw a line. Let's name this line as E over here, EF. Okay, I have drawn a line which is parallel to AB. I have drawn a line EF which is parallel to AB through the point O. Okay, I have drawn through the point O where a line EF which is parallel to AB. So now here, okay, let me rub this given data. So yes, we know the given data. Now let's solve the question, like just make a construction. So what the construction is EF, draw, okay, just draw EF parallel to AB through O. Okay, through O. Now here we have made a construction. Now just consider triangle ADC. What triangle? In triangle. Now just consider in triangle ADC or ACD or ADC. Now consider this triangle ACD. Now by this triangle, let me draw this triangle separately over here. I would like to draw like, let me draw like this, where A over here, C over here, and D over here, where EO is parallel to CD. So I have drawn this triangle over here where ACD, where EO is parallel to DC or CD. Now here we know that here we got a triangle where triangle ADC, right? If you look into this figure, you can see like ADC triangle where EO is parallel to CD. If a line is parallel to the third side, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So EO is parallel to CD, then AD and AC are divided in the same ratio. AD and AC are divided in the same ratio. As I can say like AE by ED equals to AE by ED equals to AO by OC, because they are divided in same ratio, AO by OC or AOA by OC. Okay, I have taken these two sides as AE by AD equal to OA by OC by BPT. Let me take like BPT by BPT. where we get like first equation or equation number 1 where AE by ED equal to OA by OC. So this is the first equation or equation number. So let's just take this equation. We will be using this equation after second triangle. Now okay, just consider this one. Now let's go for the second triangle. So in this given trapezium, we can consider like the second triangle like ABD. Let's take ABD, where let me draw. So here A over here, that A over here, B over here, and D over here, where E and A, B, D, where EO is parallel to A. Okay, so here we got like A, B, D, A, B, D. Here EO, which is parallel to AB, EO, which is parallel to AB, where A, D, E, and B, O, D. Okay, done. So here I have taken this triangle and drawn over here where ADB or ABD, okay, ABD, where EO is parallel to AB. Now let me take like in triangle A, B, D, where EO is parallel to what? AB. EO is parallel to AB. If a line drawn parallel in a triangle, if a line drawn in a triangle which is parallel to the third side, that other two sides are divided in the same ratio as EO is drawn parallel to what? AB, then AD and BD are divided in the same ratio, right? AD and BD are divided in the same ratio. So I can take like in triangle ABD. Again, I would like to take like by using BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. AE by ED equal to OB by here OB, right? OB by OD. OB by OD. Okay, AE by ED equals to OB by OD. Let this be what? Second equation or equation number 2. Let this be second equation. I have drawn by using BPT. By using BPT. By using this BPT theorem, I have taken like AE by ED equals to OB by OD. Now here we got second equation and first equation. Now from 1 and 2 equation, let me take like let second equation be like this. Now let's take from 1 and 2 equations. From 1 and 2 equations. So let's write down the second equation over here, where AD by AE by ED equal to OB by OD, where OD, where this is second. Then we got first equation. We got first equation and second equation. Now from 1 and 2 equations, let me write down like here. If I take like 1 and 2 equations, you can see like where AE by ED equal to OA by OC equal to AE by ED equal to OB by OD. Right? We have taken 1 and 2 equations, where equation 1, equation 2. So this will be equation 1, this will be equation 2. We have AE by ED gets cancelled. Okay. Now here you have OA by OC equal to OB by OD, where I would like to take like OA by OC equal to OB by